नमस्कार, I am Professor P.B. Gole, MEP's KTHM College Nasik, Department of Commerce, SY Semester 4, Cost and Work Accounting 2nd, Chapter 2nd, Labor Cost, Remunerations and Incentive, Topic, Taylor Differential Piece Rate System. In the previous lecture, we have studied methods of piece rate system. After this, in this lecture, we will study Taylor's differential piece rate system. Taylor's differential piece rate system. F.W. Taylor is the father of scientific management. He emphasized that low production caused total cost of production to fall. Therefore, Taylor supported quick production. The scheme was introduced in piece rate system in USA by Dr. F.W. Taylor, who is the father of scientific management. This system is based on the important assumption that the degree of efficiency among the worker varies from worker to worker, and hence they must be paid according to their actual degree of efficiency. Under this method, the minimum time rate is guaranteed. Standard time for a job is fixed up by time and motion study. The scheme provides two different piece rate systems. Low piece rate 80% of normal piece rate when below standard. It means it provides two piece rate system, that is low piece rate system of output below standard and high piece rate for output above standard. Second, high piece rate in 120% of normal piece rate when or above standard. It means if a worker provides more than standard output, within time he will be given higher piece rate, and if worker is below the standard, he shall be given lower rate of wages. Formula: low piece rate, that is 80% of normal piece rate when below standard. High piece rate, that is 120% of normal piece rate when or above standard. Features: the following are some important features Taylor's differential piece rate system. First, day wages are not guaranteed. Second, it provides two piece rate, that is low piece rate for output below standard and high piece rate for output above standard. Third, the scheme is more suitable in mass production industries. For if a worker produces more than standard output within time, he will be given higher piece rate, and if worker is below the standard, he shall be given lower rate of wages. Last, it provides strong incentive to the different worker. Advantages: it is simple to understand and work. It attracts only the best workers. It provides good incentive to accept worker. Another advantages: it stimulates worker to achieve high rate production. It is simple and easily understandable. To attract only the efficient worker due to increased production, incidence of fixed overheads per unit is reduced. Disadvantages: it penalize the slow worker. Second, it is not good for quality production. It third, it penalizes the efficient worker. Four, it does not guarantee for minimum wages. It another disadvantage: it creates disparity among worker and may weaken their unity. it is good it is not good for the human being or quality of the work. Lower rate critically by labor as primitive and unfair and possible. This is a reason for Taylor system which could not become popular in the current situation. This system is considered to be non-practicable and not favored by the employer neither by the employee. Lecture is over. Thank you.